Okay, after all the walking in the last few days, today I decided to make it slow, to take it easy, and I'm just walking from my hotel to Shipit waterfall and back. That's the plan at least. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me over the roar of the water, but over there is the Shipit waterfall. Wow. Okay, ahora, si tú quieres, and there I am. Wonderful, isn't it? Great. Okay, I in the end did not go straight back to the hotel after the waterfall. Instead, I went to a festival. Well, on the Google Maps it was marked as a festival, but apparently the festival is here only on the summer solstice day, if I'm not mistaken. And instead there are just tents here. Well, we can see one behind me, where people live, just live here in the forest, well, for months, perhaps for years. Not entirely clear to me what they do in the winter. Some of them live, I think. Well, it was very nice to meet them, drink tea made from, well, some, they called it Ivan chai. I'm not sure what type of grass it is, but it grows around here. Played some ukulele with them. Well, it was a good day today. So now I'm go back to the hotel in order to, well, take a shower at last. So see you, bye.